Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to revive General and Evony. Reviving a General in Evony requires you to unlock and build the shrine, which becomes available early in the game. Once a General is defeated or eliminated, the game will give you an option to save them. You'll usually see a notification or badge appear when you have Generals that can be revived. To revive them, simply tap the shrine and select the Save or Revive option, where you'll see a list of defeated Generals. From there, you can revive them one at a time. Reviving a General normally requires waiting for a certain amount of time before they are fully restored. However, you can speed up this process by using revival stones if you have them. These items instantly reduce or remove the waiting time, but are not required to complete the revival. If you don't see any revive options or notifications, it simply means you currently don't have any defeated generals that need to be revived. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.